In Excel, adding a number row usually means one of the two things. Either you want to insert a brand new blank row into your data, or you want to automatically fill a row with the sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3. The first method is autofill. If you want a row that goes 1, 2, 3 across your columns, type the 1 in the first cell and type the number 2 in the next cell. Now highlight the both cells. So drag the small green square in the bottom right corner of the selection to the right. So Excel will continue the pattern like this one. If you want to be a real Excel power user, use a formula. This is much faster for larger data sets. So in any cell, type equal sign, put the sequence function, open the bracket, type 1 and type 20, the ending number, close the bracket, hit enter. Excel will instantly spill the number 1 to through 20 across the row. There is another right click drag method. For this you need to type 1 in the first cell and now hold the little green square in the corner of the cell. Drag it across the row and let it go where you want to stop it. You will see a secret menu pops up. Select it and click on the fill series, and here is the magic done. This method is unique because you don't have to type 1, 2 first to establish a pattern. Excel just know what you want. If you want to how to add 1000 numbers in 2 seconds, this is the winner. You don't have to drag your mouse at all. So type 1 in a cell, stay on that cell and go to the home tab. So on the far right, look for editing group and click fill. The icons like a downward arrow in a box. Now select the series in, click on the rows and type the step value 1 and type the stop value to 1000 and click OK. So Excel instantly fills the row to the exactly number without you moving your mouse in an inch. So with these methods you can easily add number row in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.